Stop buying canned soup at the store and start making it at home instead. Today, we're making beef and barley soup from scratch at home that tastes even better than the store-bought stuff, and it's cheaper. This delicious hot bowl of beef and barley is great for cold days where you're feeling under the weather. Whether or not you're having this for lunch or dinner, it's just a great option to have, and it's super easy to make. So, let's get cooking. Dice 1 yellow onion, dice 2 celery sticks, dice 2 carrots, mince 3 cloves of garlic, measure 1 cup of pearl barley, and 1 cup of water. Cook in the Instant Pot for 3 minutes and then set aside. Once the barley's cooked, we can set this aside. Add some oil. Then cook about 1 1/4 pounds of stew beef. Add about 1 teaspoon of fresh ground pepper. And a half teaspoon of salt. Cook until browned. Then add our veggies. One bay leaf, 1 teaspoon of thyme, and then 96 ounces of beef stock. We'll pressure cook this for 6 minutes. Mix it together. Add back the barley and simmer for about 6 more minutes. And boom, we have a warm and delicious bowl of beef and barley soup. If you're feeling sick, then be sure to enjoy and feel better soon. Soup is a staple food, and this soup is by far full of amazing flavor. To pack this, we can put this into food containers and keep it for up to a week. This makes about 12 servings, so it's great for lunch or dinner options for the week, and really takes very little effort. If this looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you next time.